Hey local partners, welcome to Training Thursday with Matt. This week we're going to be talking about creating a lead list and canvassing that lead list once you've got it built. So first step is set yourself a goal. You need something in the back of your mind to keep pushing you forward every day, something to work toward. And a great example of a goal would be to hit Fast Start, right? And what Fast Start is getting 2 sales by the 15th of the month. You get a $250 bonus for 2 sales. That's it. So it's a really great goal because it's just added money on top of your already payouts, incentives, and everything else we do each month. What you're gonna wanna remember, this starts with a mindset shift. I promise, you're going to have bad conversations, but you're gonna have good conversations as well. But if you let the bad ones bother you, it's gonna ruin your whole day and you won't hit that goal that you set for yourself. Another thing to keep in mind, canvassing is the step before making money. So you're gonna have to hold yourself accountable because nobody else is going to. Your sales rep, nobody. Your mom, your girlfriend or boyfriend, whatever. No one's gonna hold you accountable, so you need to push yourself and that way you hit your goal. And keep in mind too, this is gonna be hard at the beginning. That's okay, right? But like everything in life, the more you do it, the better you get and the easier it gets. Then you hit your goals. So always keep pushing harder to be better every single day. That's all you gotta do. Just be better than yesterday. So now that we're done talking about mindset, next thing we're gonna be talking about is prep work, building your lead list. So what you're gonna wanna do, spend 10 or 20 minutes on Yelp, find a part of town that there's a lot of businesses and start making a lead list. Find all the businesses that would make sense to have 5 stars. So keep in mind, it's someone that makes sense to have a punch card. So don't go and make a lead list of insurance salesmen. That's a stupid idea. So you're gonna wanna be making a list of coffee shops, clothing boutiques, order at the counter restaurants, maybe comic stores, really anywhere it makes sense to have a punch card. Now that you've got your lead list built, keep in mind, don't have this lead list all over the town. You're gonna want it in a central location or else most of your time will be sitting in your car and not canvassing, which you should be doing. Another thing you're gonna wanna do is make sure that you have 20 leads minimum in your list. If you have less than that, you're really just wasting your time and you don't really know what you're going to be doing. So 20 minimum, but ideally more than that. All right, now you got your lead list built, pull out your phone and download the 5 Stars app and find some businesses that are in the area that have 5 stars and that are similar to the businesses that are in your lead list. You're gonna need this for when you're talking to business owners later. So now you got your lead list, you've done your homework, you know who else has 5 stars in the area. If you can, go into some of them businesses and ask the employees how they like using 5 stars, or if you can talk to the owner, what do they like about 5 stars, or tell me, what do your customers say about 5 stars when they come in and use it? That will give you some talking points to when you're talking to business owners. Now, you've got your lead list built, now it's time to go canvas. What you're gonna wanna do, go into these businesses and walk in with a big smile and just draw some attention to yourself. Say, hey, get people to turn around and notice you. You need to walk in like you're important, like you own the place, with confidence. Don't be diddly-dallying around or walking around the store before you talk to the owner. You need to walk in like you own the place. Next, just go in and say, hey, nice to meet you. I work with XYZ business down the street, and I was wondering if I were to set up a meeting with the owner, who would I speak to do that? One of 3 things is gonna happen. 1, you're already talking to the owner. Awesome, right? 2, you're talking to an employee, and either they're gonna go get the owner or tell you when the owner will be back. Lastly, you might get someone who gives you a little bit of attitude. What do you need to talk to the owner for? Totally fine, stay cool, calm, collect, stick with your confidence, and just say, hey, what XYZ business really loves about 5 stars is how we bring regular customers in more often, how we get customers to tell their friends about XYZ business, and lastly, how we drive brand new businesses or brand new customers into XYZ business from our network of 35 million people. And then just right after that, say, would I be able to get a meeting with you and the owner? This is a little sales trick. You're empowering that employee and making them feel important. Keep in mind, do not set an appointment with that employee only. You have to set an appointment with the owner. So the person you're talking to is either gonna go and get the owner, tell you when to come back, and really like ask them a time that you can come in, talk to the owner and them at the same time. Now, let's pretend you're talking to the owner. So you go up to the owner and say, "Hi owner, XYZ business told me that you'd be a great fit for what we do, and I was wondering if I could set up some time to meet with you. We'll be in the area tomorrow at like 10 a.m. or 2 p.m., so what time works best for you?" If they know XYZ business owner, they're gonna probably just say, "Oh, if you're working with them, great, I'll meet with you too." And if not, just pull out your phone and just show them all the businesses in the area that have 5 stars. They're gonna probably be a little skeptical, so just confidently assume the owner is gonna say yes. And when he or she agrees to a meeting, remember to solidify that meeting by confirming the partners, collecting the mobile phone number, then build more value at the end of the conversation to get the owner excited to learn more about 5 stars.